Today we'll talk about how can you disable sync contacts on your Clubhouse app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So we're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click on settings here. We just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on your name. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, just come here to sync contacts, just click in this sign or this color. Then you click here on keep sync on. Sorry, you click on it here. So yes, I'm sure. You click here on yes, I'm sure here. Then it's going to disable with you here sync contacts on your Clubhouse app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.